Getting information from the bus driver. Paul wants to find out some information from the bus driver.
Does this bus go downtown?
No, you'll need to take the number 6 instead.
Oh, okay. Can I catch it at this bus stop?
You'll want to cross the street and take the bus in the other direction.
Okay. Great. Thank you. Oh, do you know how often it runs?
I don't know exactly, but there are a lot of them. During rush hour, maybe every 10 minutes.
Check your understanding through this video. How you learned.
Question 1. Where does Paul want to do? Have you find out? The correct answer is 1. 2. 3. He wants to do downtown. Question 2. Which bus goes downtown? Have you find out? The correct answer is 1. 2. 3. The number 6 bus goes downtown. Question 3. How often does the bus run at 2 o'clock in the afternoon? Have you find out? The correct answer is 1. 2. 3. Not enough information. We only know about rush hour.